having this huge sale. I tried this dress on. Stunning. Stunning. I couldn't take my eyes off myself.
Yeah.
Okay, so then I put it on at home. Looks like I'm staring twins.
So you make store hotsy-totsy, home hotsy-notsy.
Yeah, exactly. Anyway, I gotta go there and turn.
How about going to the movies?
All right, I'll try it on again. You tell me what you think.
I'm telling you, Jerry, having a secretary and... I walk in, everything is organized. Messages, appointments. And I can't tell you how proud I am of myself for going with Ada. Unless a man would have done they would have gone to the surefire sexual harassment suit. It's a little...
Oh, right. The answer is right there.
You got no hope in that thing. You're on. Looks like something in a kosher jelly.
I said, all right.
What would you buy it for?
Why did I buy it? Because of the mirror at Barney's. I'm fabulous. This woman who was just walking by said I look like Demi Moore in Indecent Proposal.
How fast was she walking? To me? I thought it was Demi. No, I think it's to me. Really? I never heard of a semi tractor trailer.
Wait a minute.